Good day everyone. This is a video guide that would show you everything you need to understand about Phantom Wallet. I'll be buying a particular token, the Tomp and the Jurrie token. I'll show you how to go about that, how to swap from SO to Jurrie, and the necessary things you need to understand about Phantom Wallet. So let's go. So just click on Phantom Wallet. Now you can see, but now if you are willing to create an account, like you've not created an account, all you just have to do is come to this place at the top of the screen, just click on add wallet. So click on create new wallet since you're actually creating an account, so that is account 6. So click on create. So after you've done that, let's just wait, it should actually update. So now click on that account again. Now you can see the sign showing something like a pen, so click the pen sign. Now this is the information about the account, so click on the account show recovery phrase. Now read carefully. It's saying that your recovery phrase would actually provide access to these accounts, and anyone who has this recovery phrase would actually have full access to any funds, no matter how much. If it is $2.7 billion, and if you should share this recovery phrase with anyone, they can actually have access to your wallet and you can actually get scammed. So if you want to see your recovery phrase, click on that. I will not share my recovery phrase. That is, you're actually attesting to the fact that you've read it, and be warned that not even Phantom can actually recover the lost amount of SO or whichever currency it is. So you can just click on continue, and it's saying, do I want to see the recovery phrase? If I should click on yes, I would actually see it. But now let's just go. So now let's go. So now let's go to the main account. Now this main account would actually show you how to receive, how to send, and how to swap. So now I'm clicking on receive. Now receive shows the token I would actually want to receive. If it's a Solana, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, on Bitcoin. But let's just focus on Solana. The same system applies to all. So just click on Solana. You can see copy the address, copied. After that, you can just go to the person you are willing to receive your token from. So as for me, I already sent my address to my vendor, and he copied the address and pasted it on his own send. So he pasted it here, that is, this is the amount. So he pasted his address, that is to send to me from his hand. So now just clicked on 0.0, let's just say you want to send 0.03, that is $5.53. So just click on next, and then you just actually have to verify and then send. So now let's go on to the next thing. So now the next thing is how to swap, and would be willing to swap Tomp and Jurrie. So let's just search, let's get the token address. So this is the token address, copy. Now some of you would actually copy the CA means contact address with the main address. Now if you should paste it here, it will not be showing anything valid. So what you have to do is just delete that CA and those space, leave no space. Now it's saying unverified token, do not mind it, it's verified. So this is, just click on Tomp and Jurrie. So let's just say we have 0.0328, so we'll be clicking on 0.02. so let's see how much that is. Now that is 3.58. so just click on swap. Now you can see the information. Click on swap. Now you can see it's already saying swapping SO to Chase. So let's wait till that is done. Swap is done already. Let's check if it is still there. Now you can see that it is there already, 3.58. so that is it. So if you want to sell again, maybe when the market cap has actually increased, let's just say sell. I've clicked on sell. So it's saying it has the amount, so click on those figures. Wait, sorry, okay. So you can see 25%, 50% sell on. If you are not willing to sell everything, you can just click on 50%, that is half. If you are willing to sell a quarter, that is 25%, but I'm willing to sell all, so that is 3.6. so sell now. So let's wait, and it is done. So now let's go back and see if I only have sold there.
So you can see that my SOL is there. So that is how to go about receiving, sending, and even swapping on your Phantom wallet. And please be warned, do not share your recovery phrase with anyone because it is very risky. And if you are willing to get your SOL, you can just tell your vendor, I'm willing to get $6 worth of SOL and actually send it to you. And all you just have to do is just to send the equivalent of that SOL in Naira to the vendor. Let's just say dollar is 1.5. That is 1.5 times 6. You already know what that is. That is around 10,000 naira. And then you send to the vendor, and the vendor sends your SOL to you. And you do the necessary things. Just swap, and you are set and ready to go. Thank you. Do your best to like and subscribe. Watch out for more videos. Have a nice day.